Hello, queens. I'm Kanisha with Currency Queen Budgets. On this channel, I do all things budgets, planning, and lifestyle. In this video, I will be cash stuffing the last check for August. If that is something you're interested in, stay tuned. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope that you consider hitting that like button and that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload content. If you are returning, I really appreciate you guys for your support thus far. You guys don't understand how grateful I am to have you all here. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everything is going great. We will be budgeting for the second paycheck in August. So I will be using my budget by Paycheck, the Black Queens edition, 2023 edition, which is this one. Now I do have this one in a digital version. I'm going to insert a clip here. I am actually using my iPad to record today, so I can't show it to you right now, but I will insert a clip and let you guys look through just in case you are interested. I have a separate storefront on Etsy that I am doing digitals only on, so you can go over and purchase your digital items. I have items such as digital stickers, digital planners, digital journals, digital notebooks. All the good things are over on that store. And like I said, it is a separate entity from everything else, separated from my budgeting, because that will be solely for digital. I am trying to put everything digital. I am still going to have physical items, but I want to do more of the digital things now, because I have so much going on. I ain't gonna say I have so much going on. I have so many projects that I have not put into physical items, so I just decided to turn them into digitals and let those sell that way. All right, so we're going to jump into getting this paycheck broke down. Okay, so let me grab my ink pen. All right, grab my ink pen, and I am also going to place my calculator up here. So this is for the month of August. I think I want to zoom in. And the pay date is 08/25/23. I cannot believe that this month is already over, guys. I cannot believe it. The income source, we're going to get money from our work account. And I'm going to do $535 this week because I am literally trying to get myself back on track from a few purchases I made. I'm just trying to get myself back together, get my life back in order from not budgeting. And like I stated in a previous video, it has been a struggle, but I am going to do it. I am determined to get back on track because, y'all, I just feel like my life is just everywhere. So let's see. We're going to do utilities. I really should have wrote everything in, but I'm not. So I'm going to do car note, subscriptions, and then for my variable expenses, I am going to do my groceries. And most of the time, my variable expenses is the same thing. gas, household, spending. And I normally fast forward it here, but I don't have a lot to write in. And then medication. All right. So for my utilities, I am going to do 200. Let's do $200. For my car note, I'm just going to do 25 just to get something in the envelope. And for my subscriptions, I am going to do $20. And I'm not sure what I was about to say. So let's add this up and see what I have. 200 plus 25 plus 20 equals $245. So I'm going to subtract 245 from that 535. So 535 minus 245 equals $290. And then for my groceries, let's do 120. For my gas, I'm going to go ahead and do 100. And for household, let's do 20. For spending, I'm going to do 10. And I really want to do, and I think I am, because I did set this week for my no spend week for the rest of next week. The 27th through the, I want to say it's the 2nd or the 3rd. I think it's the 27th through the 3rd. I'm going to do no spend that week. So I'm not sure if I'll be spending that $10 unless it's something like emergent. But I'm just going to have it there just in case. Medication will be 10. So I have 120 plus 100, 10. No. I messed that up. At 120 plus 100 plus 20 plus 10 plus 30 plus 10. Okay, 290. I was like, sheesh. I know I added in too much. I think I did. And then 290 minus 290 is 0, which is $0 because we are a zero-based cash budgeter. All right, so what we will do now is go over to our cash stuffing tracker and fill out for the denominations for when we get ready to go to the bank. The pay date is 8/25/23. So I'm just going to write in the categories here. Okay, so we have everything filled in for what we will be cash stuffing for this week. And let's get the amounts in. So for utilities, I'm going to do 200. For car note, I have 25. For subscriptions, I have $20. For groceries, I have 120. For gas, I have 100. For household, I have $20. For spending will get 10. For beauty, let's do 30. For medication, let's do 10. I'm gonna say let's do 10. That's what we have. All right, so let's break this down and then we'll get ready to take this to the bank and they will give me what I'm asking for, the bills that I'm asking for in order to put in my envelopes correctly. So for utilities, let's just do 2 100s. For car note, we're going to do a 20 and a 5. So there's 120 and 1.5 equals $25. For my subscriptions, I am going to do 20. For groceries, let's do 3 20s, which is 60. Let's do 2 10s. Hold on. Yeah, let's do 2 10s. It's 80. Do 4 20s. I need my white out. I was thinking there because I didn't want to do all those 5s. And I'm doing 120 for groceries. Okay. So that's 80, 100, and let's do 4 5s. All right. So for gas, let's break that down. Let's do 3 20s. 2 10s, 3 5s, and 5 1s. For household, I'm just going to do 120. For spending, we're going to do a 10. For beauty, I am going to do a 20 and a 10. And for medication, let's go ahead and do 2 5s. And now I am going to tally all of these up and then add it up at the bottom. So 100 will get 2. Y'all, I feel like I haven't did this in a minute, and now I feel like I'm just like starting over brand new and confusing myself and probably confusing y'all too. I'm not sure. I hope I'm not, but let's get this tallied up. Like I said, I'm trying to get back in the groove of it, get my mind back on it. I've been doing so much, but just bear with me, y'all. So I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 20s and 2, 4, 5, 6 10s. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 5s, 0 $2 bills, and 1 and 1s. I have 5. So I'm going to put 535 here. Okay, so let's tally this up. Let's add this up. So 100 times 2 gives me 200. 20 times 11 is 220. I'll put $0 here. 6 times 10 is 60. 10 times 5 is 50. 2's is 0, and then 5 times 1 is $5. Let's add all of that up to make sure we have $535. Okay, so we have a total of $535. So the next step I will do, I will write this down and take those to the bank, which I put that on my cash breakdown slips, which that can be found on my Etsy store as well. Okay, guys, that is it for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it as much as I did, trying to get back on track. I really appreciate each and every one of you that has stayed to the end. If you don't mind, if you have not already, hit that like and subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload content, and leave me a comment and let me know how your day is going. But you guys know, In the next video, you will be seeing the actual cash stuffing. But until the next time that I speak with you guys, I want you to hustle hard, budget hard, and pray harder. Until next time, be blessed, Queenies. Bye.